friends. So today we are to discuss one most important part of educational technology. In our last class, we discussed in broad manner about the phases of development of educational technology. Today, we are to go to the subject area directly, and just to help you remember the last class, as well to come to this class, I should better repeat a little bit which we did in our last class. Friends, you see, we discussed in the last class about the first phase. There was about the first phase of development of technology, and we found that the first phase was the beginning of social life of man. So friends, transformation does not take place in a day. There is a system and there is a particular flow. And that's why the first phase of beginning of all development, if we are to see, then we must have to go back to the social life of beginning of the social life of man. And that's what I discussed in our last class. I discussed with you that the second phase was the phase of reading materials in the form of printing. We got reading materials in the form of printing. This is the next phase of development. And just after the invention of paper, you see, as well as the discoveries and invention of printing machines, we got all the reading materials, means all the printing materials, means we had the chance to preserve all the human knowledge, information for the generation or generations to come. So this is the next phase. The third phase is the phase of development, and this was possible only with the help of printing and storing of human knowledge in the form of books. So we had books. I help you see the book of John Dewey, which was being published in 1916, that is Democracy and Education. Let us come back to the next slide. Development of technological means. This is one of the important area, and we found here that in the fourth phase of development, this phase has been achieved with the help of electronics. So friends, after the advancement of scientific knowledge, electronics came to human society, and once electronics came, we got so many new things. So this is the fourth phase of development of technology in human society. And with the help of electronics, we find many new devices. This is fine, this is not fine. We find many new devices such as the radio. About radio I discussed with you. Then we got television. I discussed in details about tape recorder. Then computer. I help you see all the most important parts of computer in our last class. And then other technological devices we got. So this phase is one of the important phases of development of technology in human society, and technology is starting to play most important roles for the advancement of human knowledge. The history of printing starts as early, I mentioned in our last class that as 3500 BC, when the Persian and the Mesopotamian civilizations used cylinder shells to certify documents written in clay. So friends, we are to go back to Mesopotamia, means Persian and Mesopotamian civilizations help us get so many new things, and new developments took place in the field of technology. And henceforth, coming to the next stage, educational technology now. This is the prime area of our discussion today, and this paper is very much important for the students of degree level particularly for the students of fourth semester, and this is the paper number 4.01, and all the other students of different phases of education are to study about the specific roles of technology, not only for the students of education but also for the students of science, arts and commerce, as well as for all the teacher friends. Technology or knowledge of technology has special importance because the world of today is the world where technology has established definite influence over human civilization. So friends, let us see now today the concept, meaning and nature as well as scope of educational technology. And in this class, we cannot discuss all the parts. Simply today, I will help you get the definition of educational technology so that you become well concerned for your own examination, and in proper manner you can write in your examination. Friends, when we see educational technology, we find that means why it is to be used. To explain the concept of educational technology, we are to know the meaning of the term technology in detailed manner. Friends, I told you that technology means whenever concerning to the field of education, we discuss about technology or educational technology, we basically mean about the application of technological means and mediums in the field of education for successful accomplishment of educational goals. Friends, for the achievement of educational goals, we are to perform or involved in different activities, and the technology has its definite role in all the areas. So friends, first of all, defining educational technology, we are to know the meaning of the term. The term technology has been derived from the Greek term technologia. So for your examination, this is to be kept in mind because one mark question is basically asked. It is the Greek term that is technologia, where from the term technology has been derived, which means systematic treatment, and the meaning of the term technologia is systematic treatment. Thus, the term technology very simply means the application of scientific knowledge for practical purposes. So friends, what is technology? From the point of view of the derivation of the term, means history, by studying the history of the term, we can come to know that the term technology very simply means about the application of scientific knowledge for practical purposes. Educational technology, now come back, is a special branch of technology which very simply means the application of technological knowledge in the field of education. It is one of the important branches of technology, and this branch has specific importance as well as it has special impact over the system of education, because for the accomplishment of educational goals or for the achievement of educational objectives, we take the help of technology in all areas of education. May it be classroom teaching, may it be the process of transaction of knowledge from the teacher to the students, may it be the process of management of administration, may it be the process of management of examination, may it be the process of management of curriculum. All these are some of the important areas, or in all the areas of education, as well as at the same time all areas of our life. Nowadays or in present society, we never can negate the significance of technology. Basically, educational technology, what does it mean? It means it's a special branch of technology which very simply means the application of technological knowledge in the field of education for the realization of educational objectives as per the changed demand of time and human life as well as human civilization. Let us now come back briefly whenever we have to explain the origin term of origin Greek term technologia. We see that we have come to know that the word technology has been derived from the Greek words and means technologia and transliterated techni and logos. Once we see the term technologia, it is being transliterated with the help of these two words. One is techni and another is logos. So friends, whenever you are to discuss about psychology, biology or anything else, you get logos. Logos means science, and techni and logos, these are the two terms which help to have the term technologia. Techni basically means about the art and skill, craft or the way, manner or means by which things are grown. Growth and development are the prime concerns of human life, and with the help of the means and mediums of technology, we help the processes of growth and development. In other sense, literary technology means words. Technology means words or discourse about the way things are multiplied for diverse purposes. So friends, for the multiplication of educational achievement, we are to take the help of technology, and technology can be used or utilized as the means for the achievement of educational goals. And for the proper use of technological means and mediums, we need expertise, and we have to be well acquainted with the process of handling all the means, available means and mediums of technology. So friends, now let us come back, because without knowing about science, we never can know about technology. Means when we say science, we know about it's the systematic knowledge of the laws of the universe. Means it's the practical aspect of practical area of human knowledge. Science basically specifies the practicability of human knowledge, and technology is the means for the practicalization of human knowledge in concrete and result-oriented manner. So friends, without discussing or knowing about science, we never can know about technology. And science is the practical aspect of human knowledge. At the same time, philosophy, as we know, is the theoretical parameter of human knowledge. And technology means the means and mediums. Technology is the means and mediums with the help of which we can apply scientific knowledge and temperament for the prosperity, for the growth of human civilization, for the growth of human prosperity of human society, uplift of human life. So friends, the application of scientific knowledge for the accomplishment of educational purposes or goals may very simply be termed as educational technology. This is another most important term, simplified explanation. And henceforth, you see, whenever we come to the next part, means educational technology has been defined as the process of application of all the scientific and technological knowledge and procedures to the field of education for the realization of educational purposes in more systematic and concrete manner. So friends, education is a systematic process with the help of which we develop the innate or inborn capabilities of the human side. The sense of human behavior or behavioral sense is the prime concern of education, and with the help of change of behavior as per the demand of time, we help our students become proper human resource for the uplift of their own life and to take part in the process of social growth and development, and to take part in the process of transformation of civilization. So friends, without science it is not possible, and thenceforth without the means and mediums, means the technology, we never can utilize scientific temperament in concrete and in absolute manner. So it is such, means educational technology has close linkage with scientific temperament. Now let us come back to see some of the definitions of educational technology. And once you see the definitions of educational technology, you can realize or you can understand the concept of educational technology in nice manner. Educational technology in general perception, in general idea, in general knowledge is defined as the systematic way of using the scientific and technological knowledge and information in the field of education for better performance for the achievement of educational goal. Use of scientific and technological knowledge in a very systematic manner for the advancement of or for the achievement of educational objectives is nothing but educational technology. So friends, with the help of educational technology, we try to practicalize the objectives of education in concrete, in scientific and systematic manner. So, in the present system of education throughout the globe, not only in the advanced or developed countries of the world, but throughout the globe, its significance or its importance has been, coming up. Let us come back to the next slide and see how thinkers and experts have defined educational technology. We are to see the definitions which are being provided by some of the experts of the world so that we can have better idea concerning to educational technology. First of all, let us come back to I.K. Davis. He is a famous educational technologist, and according to I.K. Davis, educational technology is concerned with the problems of education and the training context, and it is characterized by the disciplined and systematic approach to the organization of resources for learning. So friends, it is I.K. Davis who defined educational technology as which is concerned with the problems of education. The basic concern of educational technology is to solve the problems of education without any doubt or in concrete manner. And training context means the process, imparting the process of training should be quite, scientific. So in the process of imparting training to the students, technology has special significance, and it is characterized by the disciplined and systematic approach to the organization of resources for learning. So friends, for the learning of students, which is one of the most important objectives of higher education, we are to take the help of technology, and with the help of the use of technological means and mediums, we can make our system of education, procedure of teaching very much scientific, means coming out from the traditional parameter. We can apply or we can take the help of all the modern approaches with the help of the devices which are available in the field of educational technology. Next, let us come back to De Unwin. He is also one of the famous educational technologists, and in the words of De Unwin, or according to Unwin, educational technology is concerned with the application of modern skills. Again, this is we are to define what does modern skills means, and techniques to requirements of education and training. Modern skills and techniques which we require for the transaction of our knowledge to the students, for imparting training so that they can they can sense their behavioral pattern and become proper human resource or resources of the society. We should better take the help of educational technology. So he defined educational technology is concerned with the application of modern skills. The primary concern of educational technology is the application of modern skills to the field of education, and at the same time, it is the basic concern of educational technology is to help everybody else, to you, the teachers, to the administrators, to the academicians, to the educational stakeholders, means educational to use or to utilize the techniques to the requirements of education and training. This includes the facilitation of learning, means learning is teaching facilitates learning. So the facilitation of learning can be done with the help of the use of educational technology. So Unwin explains that this includes the facilitation of learning by manipulation of media and methods and control of environment is so far as this reflection learning. So friends, teaching facilitates learning. So for the facilitation of learning, with the help of the use of technological means and mediums, the teachers can help your students in scientific manner, and they can learn in nice manner without any doubt and without any mistakes or errors. Let us come back to the next slide. John Leedham defines educational technology as educational technology concerns the systematic use of modern methods and technologies in teaching and learning. It involves teachers in variety of roles, some of which are traditional and some still emerging. So friends, for playing definite roles in the classroom situation, we as the teachers, administrators and academic activists are educationists are to take the help of education so that depending on traditional parameters too, we can transact our students, keep contact with the students in scientific manner and help our students develop their behavioral pattern as per the changed demand of time and life so that they can become proper human resources of the society and they can use it properly, utilize their knowledge for the upliftment of their life as well as for the prosperity as well as development and transformation of their own civilization. Friends, let us come back to the next definition which is being provided by G.O.M. Late. And he is also one of the famous educational experts who has technological expertise, and in the words of G.O.M. Late means educational technology, how he defined educational technology is the application of scientific knowledge about learning and the conditions of learning. Means again, for knowing about the conditions of learning and learning, you have to go back to psychology because learning is one of the most important units of discussion of psychology, and without knowing about the theories of learning, you never can take the help of technological means and mediums for the transaction of your information as well as knowledge depending on the contents of your own subject to the students for the development of their behavioral pattern. Anyway, for knowing about means application of scientific knowledge about learning and the conditions of learning to improve the effectiveness and efficiency of teaching and learning. So for improving effectiveness of teaching, you have to know educational technology, and for improving the efficiency of teaching, you have to know educational technology. For improving the effectiveness of training, you have to know technology, utilize technology, and for improving the efficiency of training, you have to apply educational technology. Now let us come back this one to this. This is Taksi Sakamoto Bulletin of the UNESCO. This bulletin has special importance. So Regional Office for Education in Asia. In 1971 September, it discusses or it explains this way. Explain the concept of educational technology as educational technology is an applied or practical study which aims at maximizing educational effect by controlling such relevant facts as educational purposes, educational content, teaching materials, educational methods, educational environment, conduct of students, behavior of instructors, and interrelation between students and instructions. So friends, as per the explanations of the UNESCO Bulletin, the area of operation of educational technology is very much extensive and it covers all the most important aspects and areas of education for making the system of education quite successful so that we can the teachers can help the students, help the learners develop their potentiality as per the demand of sense time. So let us come to the last part of our discussion of this class, how educational technology helps us. We have come to know so many definitions, and by studying the definitions you will be able to understand the meaning of educational technology. At the same time, the usability, the prospect of use of educational technology in the field of modern education means it covers all the areas of education. We can come back to this, means educational technology helps us to assess and interpret the concept of educational technology as the scientific process of application of technological knowledge and all the devices and tools as well as the machineries which are developed with the help of the knowledge of modern science for better modification of human behavior and systematic learning. So friends, learning, the prime concern of learning is the modification of behavior, and with the help of the with the help of the devices, available devices and means and mediums of technology, we can help our students modify their behavioral pattern so that they can become proper human resources as per the demand of change time to take part in the process of making their life, in the process of upliftment of their life, as well as in the process of transformation of civilization of own nation. So friends, let us see, this is the last slide of this class, and we are to see what are the prime concern of educational technology, and by studying all the materials of this slide you will be able to know about the prime concerns of educational technology in the field of modern education. The prime concern of educational technology is to help the educators, help to teachers. Teachers are to be so much practical and scientific, and with the help of educational technology, they can become so. Educational planners can plan all the educational policies as well as package for transformation of the system of education in scientific manner. Policy makers, course designers, persons working in the field of evaluation, and all who have direct contact with the process of education to make the necessary activities more systematic and result oriented. So friends, these are the specific areas where the influence or impact of educational technology has or is much more stronger to help to make the process of teaching, learning and all other necessary processes of education very systematic and scientific. There is the need of educational technology. So friends, in the changed world, in today's world, we basically say that we are living in a world where there is, in every part, there is the impact and influence of modern science and technology. So friends, without the use of technology, you never can lead your life in proper manner, and from morning till night to midnight means you take the help of different devices which are being forwarded to you by the help of or with the help of the advancement of the knowledge of technology. And technology has basic concern with science, because with the help of technological means and mediums, we apply scientific temperament in proper and concrete manner. So friends, as we are taking the help of technological means and mediums in all parts of our life, why we do not become much more concerned for the use of technological means and mediums in our educational exercises in classroom situation as well as in other areas of education. So friends, these are the most important areas. Today I just have helped you to get the definitions of educational technology. At the same time, brief explanations I have given, I have placed before you, and how it has been linked, or how it has its own link with scientific knowledge or science, that has also been explained, or that has also been explained to you. So with the help of the study of these materials, I hope you will be able to write or explain about the concept, as well as you will be able to write the definitions of educational technology, its role in the process of education in proper manner. So let us stop here today. In our next class, how educational technology has been influencing, what are the scopes of educational technology in the field of modern education, I will discuss with you. And to that time, please see all these, study all the materials which are being forwarded to you, placed before you, so that you can take the help of the slides and you can prepare your notes for your examination, and particularly to the teacher friends and other educational activists, so that you can understand the importance of educational technology or technological means and mediums in the field of modern education. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Have good preparation for your examination, at the same time for making teaching process so much attractive and scientific, so that you can become a successful teacher or become successful in your own profession. Thank you.